I want to take a moment to address what's going on in Los Angeles right now. Let's be clear. Trump's deployment of the National Guard and Marines in California is not about the protests. It is not about ICE, and it's really not about immigration. It's about using extremely dubious legal authority to expand his never-ending grasp for more power and his effort to move this country toward authoritarianism. This is a president, as you all know, who has usurped the constitutional responsibilities of Congress. He has threatened to impeach judges who rule against his policies. He has and is suing media for coverage that criticizes him. He has extorted money from law firms that have represented his opponents, and he is withholding funds from universities for teaching courses he doesn't like. In terms of what's happening in Los Angeles, let us understand that in our federalist form of government, local, state, federal, it is the governor of a state who deploys the National Guard, not the President of the United States. Trump's argument for his deployment of the troops is absurd and laughable. Does anyone really believe that we are in the midst of a foreign invasion or a rebellion against the United States? That, believe it or not, is his legal argument. Let's take stock of what Trump has done here. He has conducted massive illegal raids. He has provoked a counter response, and then he has called in the troops. That is how an authoritarian rules. In this unprecedented moment in modern American history, it is imperative that all of us, no matter what our political views may be, stand together against the president who has little respect for the rule of law or our Constitution. The future of American democracy is at stake. Thank you very much.
They say the world's on fire, the rich men hold the reins, the workers cry for justice, but they only feel the chains. From Omaha to Iowa, the people took their stand, and Bernie stood before them with fire in his hands. Rise up, let your voices ring, for the people, by the people, make the tyrants scream. No billionaire will buy our fate, no tyrant takes our land. Stand with Bernie Sanders, let's take the country back. Elon's got his billions buying voices, buying laws. Trump is breaking down the courts, rewriting every clause. Workers losing hours, families lose their homes, but Bernie's still out marching, won't leave us all alone. Rise up, let your voices ring, for the people, by the people, make the tyrants scream. No billionaire will buy our fate, no tyrant takes our land. Stand with Bernie Sanders, let's take the country back. They cut the schools and hospitals, left the hungry in the cold, gave tax breaks to the billionaires, sold our future for their gold. They tell us we are powerless, that greed is how it's done, but Bernie lifts his fist and says the fight has just begun. Rise up, let your voices ring, for the people, by the people, make the tyrants scream. No billionaire will buy our fate, no tyrant takes our land. Stand with Bernie Sanders, let's take the country back. They said that change could never come, they laughed at FDR, but history tells a different tale when people raise the bar. Through picket lines and battle cries, the people's fight is strong, and Bernie stands among them, still singing freedom song. Rise up, let your voices ring, for the people, by the people, make the tyrants scream. No billionaire will buy our fate, no country back.
Inner Self magazine is published weekly on Sundays. Won't you visit us there for inspiring, helpful, and socially conscious content? Always remember, with new attitudes comes new possibilities. Won't you subscribe now?